Ladies and gentlemen, we are once again in the midst of an absolute bloodbath in the markets, but nothing we're not used to. Um, we go through these all the time, ups and downs, talk about it all the time. Little meme here to start. My small cap portfolio today be like, sell at a loss or hold to zero. And that's how it is. You know, some of this stuff is going to go to zero. It's going to be worthless. But we've had an absolutely brutal day, not just for crypto, because this honestly isn't that bad, right? Bitcoin's still just within this range it's been in. But the stock market got absolutely nuked. The past 2 days, the Russell is down, let's see, like 7-8%. NASDAQ nuked, Dow nuked, SPY nuked. Here it is, 2.9 trillion wiped out from stocks this morning due to fear of a global recession. The worst day since the 2020 crash. Unbelievable. Unreal, guys. So a lot of people are worried that what's coming next for the market is, this. Which is possible, for sure it's possible. But who knows, man? Who knows what's coming? If the Fed will come out and emergency start to cut rates. We're living in a wild time. But I'm excited to be here, right? I'm just going to keep buying. I'm hoping XRP, we get it down to 52 cents or less. And I'm throwing some fresh capital in, which I haven't done in a while. Because I've never been so confident in, specifically, like I said yesterday, XRP and HBAR. I really just believe that it's going to be their time soon enough. So no need to stress. I have enough conviction in these two plays that when we get days like this, I'm just going to keep accumulating. There's nothing else to do. Accumulate, sit on the bags. Don't put in more than you're willing to lose at the end of the day, right? And then you don't have much to stress about. So let's just run through some tweets. Crypto Insight UK, unpopular opinion: the Judge Torres Ripple SEC ruling will mark the end of this downturn and send XRP and alts into alt season. So I think that's definitely possible. We're really waiting for this ruling. Brad said he expects it before the end of September. So that would give us 2 months now. Could come at any day. And I think it can really start sending things the other direction. Another one here from Crypto Insight. Interesting indeed. The BIS and BOE are referencing Ripple Real USD even before its issuance. Makes me wonder what they know about the XRPL. We know they tested with the BOE a while back. Just showing here that they're mentioning Ripple stablecoin before it is even out. So awesome to see. Here from Crypto Philosopher, Ripple XRP is part of the WEF overlords lawsuit. It gives reason for XRP to go. Servers hidden underground globally. Don't know about that. Trillion transactions per second. Going to be in the #1 global currency. Real world assets built on top of the ledger. XRP is the agenda mate. This guy says false facts. So yeah, take it with a grain of salt. But hyping up XRP. Here from Kveix. Time for the collapse to reset the entire system. So it does look awfully similar to that collapse of the Great Depression that we saw, right? And that would send this thing nuking. So hopefully that's not the case, and that's not what's happening, because that would just be bad for society and bad for everyone. But I'd like to think if something like that does come, that is the moment for XRP to truly step up and step in and be the solution to fix everything. Here from Monica Lon, we had the Q2 Ripple report, so updates in Q2, namely progress with the XRPL EVM sidechain and Axelar for interoperability. Archax expected to bring hundreds of millions of tokenized real-world assets onto the XRPL and prep for future oracles and MPT release. Are making me very excited about what's coming in Q3 and Q4. So yeah, some good updates over Q2 for XRP. Here from Mikey Bull, alt season. Is alt season canceled this cycle? The chart says no, it's coming in full force when it leaves the reaccumulation phase. It's been the longest consolidation in history, meaning it will run higher for longer. Just showing that we are still just in this like reaccumulation before a breakout, most likely. I just closed out one of those tweets. Oh well. Here from Credible, $200 away from my downside target. So he was calling for ETH to sweep its lows, which we are very close to doing on ETH. You know, just a couple $100 away from sweeping all these lows, which is what he's been calling for a little while now. And a lot of people didn't believe it. So he thinks we may see some relief before we get the final shove down. But he says any bounces right now are for shorting till we get that sweep. And Crypto Michael Confluence here, he thinks that Bitcoin's going to go down to fill the CME gap at around 59K. I would not be surprised. We're very close, not that far off from there. So could see that coming as well. Here from Crypto Insight UK, the global M2, the global money supply is breaking out now, which means there's probably more upside coming because there's going to be more liquidity around the world and in the markets. Here from Wall Street Bets, touching grass for the rest of the day. Alert from Coinbase. Bro, it's effed. Don't look. Go outside and go for a walk or something. True. So when stuff like this is happening, just don't look. Just go live your life. Go do something else. Crypto Michael, I think XRP will hold up better than most of the altcoins this week. And it seems like it already has been. Coach JV, do the opposite of the 99% to become the 1%. When everyone is panic selling, I am buying. When everyone is coming in to get rich quickly, I am selling. Please keep it simple and compound the profits. So yeah, if we do look over at XRP versus Bitcoin, we switch it to the monthly. This just looks good. We got a pretty clear shift in trend breakout. Might take some time, but I think this thing eventually comes up and tests this big yellow box, which will be a massive move if it can get there. That like almost 1,000% from here against Bitcoin. So good to see. I think we're on the right track. No need to fear in these crazy markets. Just take it one day at a time. Invest in the projects you believe in and hold for the long term. That's what we do, right? So hope you enjoyed the little update. Stay strong. It'll turn around, I'm sure, at some point. And yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.